Washing dishes or prepping dinner usually feels like a mundane chore, especially when you are constantly wrestling with a rigid, low-clearance tap that splashes water everywhere. The Fapully Commercial LED Kitchen Faucet completely shifts that dynamic, bringing heavy-duty, restaurant-style functionality and a stunning modern look straight to your home sink. It is a striking, industrial-inspired upgrade built to handle the chaotic demands of a busy kitchen while making your daily prep work a lot more fun. The visual centerpiece of this setup is the ingenious hydraulic 3-color LED light system. It requires absolutely zero batteries or complex electrical wiring to work. Instead, a miniature internal turbine uses the natural kinetic energy of the flowing water to power the lights instantly. The illumination automatically shifts colors based on the water temperature, shining a crisp blue for cold, a soothing green for warm, and a bright red for hot. It adds a premium, futuristic glow to your sink basin while acting as a vital safety feature to protect young kids or elderly family members from accidental scalding. Functionality is where this commercial layout completely excels over traditional residential fixtures. It features a dual-outlet design with separate, independently controlled water paths mounted on a stunning matte black frame. You get a heavy-duty, high-arc open-coil spring pull-down sprayer that unleashes a powerful, splash-free aerated stream perfect for blasting away stubborn, stuck-on food from plates and pots. Simultaneously, a dedicated, solid pot filler spout provides a smooth, gentle stream for quickly filling up deep stock pots or bowls. Because both outlets can rotate a full 360 degrees independently, two people can easily use the sink at the exact same time without getting in each other's way. Durability is engineered directly into the core of the faucet. The multi-layer matte black finish is highly resistant to fingerprints, rust, and water spots, meaning it requires nothing more than a quick wipe down with a soft cloth to maintain its pristine look. Underneath the premium finish sits a heavy-duty all-metal body fitted with an elite, industrial-grade ceramic cartridge. This internal valve has been rigorously tested to withstand over 500,000 open and close cycles, ensuring a completely leak-free, smooth single-handle operation for years to come. It also features a built-in crossbar design above the sink, giving you a handy, integrated space to hang your dishcloths or sponge caddies cleanly out of the way. Designed to fit standard single-hole deck mounts right out of the box, the kit includes all the necessary mounting hardware, flexible hot and cold supply lines, and clear instructions so you can easily tackle the DIY setup in under 25 minutes without calling a plumber. If you are ready to completely ditch a boring, weak tap and transform your kitchen into a high-end culinary workstation with responsive LED lighting and pro-level dual water streams, this commercial faucet is a phenomenal choice. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a comment letting me know if you prefer matte black or brushed stainless fixtures, and I will see you in the next video.